This is continuation from Patient Page, Part 2. When a visit is selected, this box shows the current charges and whether or not this visit is open for editing. Finalized visits, closed for editing, are indicated with F. The visits can be filtered by a specific user or group. Click Seen By for the filter settings. The user or group to filter by can be selected here. For more info on patient groups, refer add/edit patient groups. To filter by a specific user, select the user here. And click Set Filter. When Seen By is in red, indicating filter is active, only the visits that this specific user has accessed can be navigated with these arrows. Clicking these arrows will move to and fro the visits that this user has accessed, not all visits. Sometimes, the visit may not have the user specified in the filter as the primary doctor or staff. Click this list to see all the users that have accessed this visit. And select Show All. This list now will show all the users that have accessed this visit. This filter will list the visits even if the selected user is not the primary doctor or primary staff for the visit. To turn off this filter, click Seen By. Select empty space as the user. And click Set Filter. Seen By should appear in black, indicating the filter is turned off. Now the filter is turned off and this page will automatically go to the last visit in this clinic. To filter by group, select the group from this list. And click Set Filter. When Seen By is in red, indicating the filter is active, only visits tagged to the specified group will be listed. With the filter active, only the visits tagged to this group can be navigated with these arrows. Clicking these arrows will move to and fro the visits tagged to this group, not all visits. To remove this filter, click Seen By. Select empty space as the group. And click Set Filter. Seen By should appear in black, indicating the filter is turned off. Clicking this Seen By list will list all users that have accessed this visit. Only the primary doctor will be listed first, followed by the primary staff. Select Show All. To show all users. This will list all users that have seen this visit, whether or not editing was done. The doctor with asterisk at the end is the primary doctor. This is the date this visit was registered. The first line is the time this visit was registered and the second line is the time this visit was finalized. Clicking this icon will show the various clinical calculators. These are the various clinical calculators. Click this icon again to close the clinical calculators box. Clicking HX will list all the vital signs, investigations, procedures, injections and medicines, grouped by the item types. For example, this lists all FBCs done for this patient. This lists the visits that have CR.aqueous given. Click HX again to close this box. If the visit selected and not in the current year, the year will be indicated here. This red marker indicates that this visit has been posted. Posting happens when invoice has been created for the visit or when incentives have been calculated for this visit. Posted visits cannot have any items that affect the charges edited. If panel invoice has not been created for this visit, posted visits can be unposted by approved admin by double-clicking this red mark. This blue mark indicates that this is the first visit for this patient. The name of the patient, sex and alert will be shown here. Every visit will be represented in this box. The darker blue header indicates that the visit is in the current year. The lighter blue header indicates that the visit is in previous years. Any follow-up saved in that visit will be shown here. For patients under panels that require submissions of the charges in their own portal/websites, the user that did the submission will be shown here. Refer panel page anatomy for more details. This means no panel invoice has been created for this visit. Note that absence of panel invoice means the panel will never know the existence of this visit in the charges. The only exception is for visits that are yet to be invoiced for the month. If this panel requires submission and no submission is done, it will be indicated with no submission done. No payment indicates that this visit has not been paid by the panel yet. For panels that pay by visit/piecemeal payments, the exact panel payment will be shown here. Refer panel page anatomy for more details. For panels that pay by invoices, the panel payment will be shown in percentage. This 100% means this invoice has been paid fully, not the visit. Refer panel page anatomy for more details. This figure is the total charges for the visit. This amount could have been paid by cash, credit card/e-payments, billed to panel, prepaid deposits, remain as due/debt or written off. The mode of payments may also be in combination. The green box indicates the charges are billed to panel. The blue box indicates the charges are paid in cash or by credit card/e-payments. The purple box indicates the charges are paid by prepaid deposits/bookings. The orange box indicates the charges have been written off as bad debt. If package has been entered for this visit, it will be indicated like this. Click to see more details. The content of the package will be shown. The contents are automatically inserted into this visit upon the selection of this package. Refer Package Designer. Clicking this arrow will bring to the clinical data table and charts. In this clinical data table, these are the dates of the visits and the VNs. These are the clinical components of the visits. The tick indicates the component is present in that visit, and hovering the mouse will show the details. Relevant charts will be displayed below the clinical data table. Click this arrow to go back to the main patient page. To be continued in patient page, Part 4.